Operation Restore Legacy yatirikanwa kuti eforce iri kuopoza the Vision 2030 panguva inoyoya ichipraisa VP Constantino Chiwenga. Panguva ine today vari vachitsanangura pamusoro penhau yekuti why VP Constantino Chiwenga is the talk of the town. Tisarapinda mashoko okuda panguva ino atiri kuona kuti the fight against zvigananda haina kupera. Panguva ino sezviri kuzikanwa kuti nhasi musi wa1 January 2026 we are celebrating the new year and VP Constantino Chiwenga is now the acting president up until 13th of January. Tisarapinda mashoko okuda nyuko panguva ino ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tichicelebrate the new year panguva ino vanobudanyira chiti in 2025 Zimbabweans began puzzling about VP Chiwenga and everyone is now speculating what 2026 hold for him. The intrigue is not random. It's rooted in his ideology, beliefs, and character. Ideology. General Chiwenga champions policies designed to ensure every Zimbabwean can feed their family and build a sustainable future. His focus is on practical, inclusive economic strategies that uplift the underprivileged. Beliefs. He is known for blunt honesty, famously calling for the arrest of Zvigananda. To him, transparency and accountability are not optional, they are essential. Character. VP Chiwenga distances himself from those who exploit citizens. He positions himself firmly on the side of the masses. These traits set him apart, making him a unique figure in Zimbabwean politics. Wish you a prosperous 2026. Domashukwa nokudanyuka panguva ino nevakomana veOperation Restore Legacy vachiti as we are celebrating the new year 2026, we must bear in mind that we have got our champion VP Constantino Chiwenga and panguva ino we must keep on supporting him. Aiwa mugore ratiri kupinda iri ratamariri 2026 aiwa kuti tikwanise kustopa zvigananda. Kana kumasection medu muzemafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.